A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much happy to see you all again. And in this video, we are going to see the two most important schemes, and they are the Soil Health Card Scheme and then the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. And come on, let's get into the video. In first, we are going to see the Soil Health Card Scheme, and it is launched by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare on December 5, 2015, and on December 5, 2020, they have celebrated the completion of 5th year. And Soil Health Card is a printed report which contains the nutrient status of the soil with respect to 12 nutrient parameters, which means it shows the 12 important nutrient content in the soil which is tested. The 12 parameters are your pH, EC, organic carbon, and then your macronutrients N, P and K, and your secondary nutrients sulfur, and your micronutrients zinc, boron, iron, manganese and copper of the farm holdings. And as the Soil Health Card Scheme is meant to give each farmer the soil nutrient status of his or her farm holding and advises him the dosage of fertilizers and also the needed soil amendments that he should apply to his soil for maintaining its health and wealth. And the scheme was launched by our Prime Minister on 19th of February 2015 at Suratgarh in Rajasthan. And it provides 2 sets of fertilizer recommendations for 6 crops, including recommendations of your organic menus, and the farmers can also get recommendations for additional crops on demand. And then the objective of the Soil Health Card Scheme are to issue soil health cards to farmer every 2 years so as to provide a basis to address the nutritional deficiencies in the fertilization practices. It not only addresses the nutritional deficiencies, instead it paves way for soil test based nutrition application so that excess fertilization is avoided, which maintains the soil health in long run. And this Soil Health Card portal has farmers database of both the cycles, and it is available in 21 languages for the benefit of the farmers. And soil samples will be drawn in a grid of 2.5 hectare in case of your irrigated area and 10 hectare in case of rain-fed area with the help of GPS tools and revenue maps. It's all about the Soil Health Card Scheme. We can have a short revision. It is launched by our Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare in the year 2015 on December 5, and it contains 12 nutrient parameters, and they are your pH, EC, organic carbon, N, P, K, sulfur, zinc, boron, iron, manganese and copper. This soil health card gives the soil nutrient status of the farm to the farmer based on which dosage of fertilizers and the soil amendments is recommended to the farm, and it was launched at Suratgarh in Rajasthan. It provides 2 sets of fertilizer recommendations for 6 crops, including the recommendation of the organic menus, and the farmer can also get the recommendation for additional crops based on the demand. And the objective of this health card are to issue soil health cards to farmer every 2 years so as to provide a basis to address nutritional deficiencies. And it contains 21 languages in the Soil Health Card portal for the benefit of the farmers, and the soil samples will be taken with the Kurfi by making V-shaped cut, as we know earlier, in a grid of 2.5 hectare in irrigated area and 10 hectare in your rainfed area with the help of GPS tools and revenue maps, and it's all about the scheme. Next, we are going to see PM Kisan Sampada Yojana. In the year 2016, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries introduced an umbrella scheme for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters, or Sampada, which was proposed to be implemented with an allocation of 6,000 crores for the period of 2016 to 2020. In the year 2017, Sampada was renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, and it is launched in the year 2019-20, which means approval has been given in the year 2016 and it is renamed to PM Kisan Sampada in the year 2017, and it is launched in the year 2019-20. And under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is Self-Reliant India, 20,000 crore has been sanctioned to this scheme. Remember, it comes under your Ministry of Food Processing Industries and not under your Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And then there are 7 components under this PM Kisan Sampada Yojana, and they are Meha Food Parks, and then integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure, and infrastructure for agro processing clusters, creation of backward and forward linkages, creation or expansion of food processing and preservation capacities, food safety and quality assurance infrastructure, and human resources and institutions. And these are all the 7 components of this Kisan Sampada Yojana. Coming to the Meha Food Parks, Meha Food Parks are usually extended to a minimum of 50 acres and beyond, and now there are 41 Meha Food Parks have been planned. So far, 22 Meha Food Parks are under operation, and these 22 Meha Food Parks are here Srini Meha Food Park Chittoor. They say that it is the first Meha Food Park to be launched. And then the only aqua park is Godavari Mega Aqua Park at West Godavari in Andhra Pradesh. And you have to read all this. And Avanti Meha Food Park at Devas, Madhya Pradesh is the first Meha Food Park to be launched in central India. And it is Zoram Meha Food Park at Kolasib, Mizoram, and MITS Meha Food Park at Odisha, and International Meha Food Park at Punjab, and Suchit Meha Food Park at Punjab, and Green Tech Meha Food Park at Ajmer. And then your Patanjali Food and Herbal Park is in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Beyond reading all this, you have to read the unique kind of Meha Food Parks. For example, your Aqua Food Park is in West Godavari. Likewise, the first established food park is in Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. And then your Food and Herbal Park is in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. These are the 22 Meha Food Parks which are under operation. The remaining are under implementation. We can have a short revision of this PM Kisan Sampada Yojana. It was initially launched in 2016 as Sampada with an allocation of 6,000 crores. In 2017, it is renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, and it is implemented in the year 2019-20 under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which I have provided in a separate video. 20,000 crore has been allocated to this scheme, and it comes under Ministry of Food Processing Industries. There are 7 components under this PM Kisan Sampada Yojana. Coming to the Meha Food Park, there are 41 Meha Food Parks have been planned, but so far 22 Meha Food Parks are under operation, and the first ever Meha Food Park is Srini Meha Food Park at Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Avanti Meha Food Park is the first ever Meha Food Park launched in central India. And your Godavari Aqua Park is the only aqua park located in West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. The International Meha Food Park is in Punjab, and then Patanjali Food and Herbal Park is in Haridwar, Uttarakhand, and it's all about the scheme. And I hope the video will be very much useful to you. And thank you for all your supports. And do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you and see you all again.